Hi everyone, this is Sovereign Agent Factory. We built this project to solve a privacy gap in AI-assisted code review. Security scans can detect critical issues, but many details are too sensitive to post directly in public merge request comment. Our solution uses a two-channel model. First, Gitlab receives a public safe summary that is actionable but sanitized. Second, sensitive findings are sent to a private backend, encrypted, and made accessible only to the authorized owner through a companion app. So collaboration stays open, while sensitive data stays protected. We implemented this with a custom GitLab agent and flow. The agent performs security-oriented merge request review, and the flow orchestrates scanning, analysis, and safe reporting. The key behavior is privacy-first output, useful security guidance in public, without exposing secrets or sensitive evidence. In the companion app, the user starts with a real device biometric prompt. After biometric verification, the app performs challenge-response authentication with the backend. Once authenticated, the owner can view private scan history and open detailed findings that are scoped to their account. This gives secure access to sensitive reports outside the public merge request thread. The backend is built with fast API and deployed on Google Cloud Run. Private findings are stored in Firestore with encryption and owner-scoped access control. For authentication, we use a challenge-based prototype login flow, plus JWT token refresh for session continuity. This provides a stronger prototype path while staying honest about production readiness.